Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make a Pichwai painting.
So first step is to learn the पिछवाई cow. Ordinary paper ही ले लिया है मैंने, बटर पेपर था यहाँ. हम उसमें काऊ का हेड बनाएंगे पहले. ये काऊ के सींग हैं, हॉर्न्स. These are the decorations on the horn.
Pichwai is a historical form of painting from the Nathwara region of Rajasthan. So पिचवई राजस्थान के नाथद्वारा रीजन से ओरिजिनेट हुई थी, जहाँ बहुत फेमस श्रीनाथ जी का टेम्पल है. They are believed to have originated in the 17th century, while the earliest evidence comes from 200 to 250 years ago. These paintings are typically done on cloth as a backdrop to the sculptures of Srinath Ji in the temples.
In this we can show a bell. We can do lots of decoration on the bell. Then these are the hangings in the neck of the cow. पर है ना, इसको रख के जोर से आप बॉल पेन से या किसी चीज से दबाइए तो उसमें आपको मेजरमेंट मतलब दिख जाएगी लाइन. मैं कार्बन अवॉइड करती हूँ, या तो येलो कार्बन यूज कर लीजिए.
Pichwai paintings hold immense importance in sustaining the traditions of religion. Most of the paintings are serene narrations, usually depicting the life and legends of Lord Krishna, particularly focusing on Srinath Ji. So श्रीनाथ जी में कृष्ण जी 7-8 साल के बालक हैं. उनकी वहाँ मूर्ति है, उनको जगाया जाता है, उनका प्रसाद लगता है सारा दिन, फिर वो शयन करते हैं. वो सभी लीलाएं जो हैं इन पेंटिंग्स में दिखाई जाती हैं. One of the most prominent symbols in Pichwai painting is the lotus flower. The lotus is a symbol of purity, beauty and enlightenment. तो लोटस का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है पिचवई पेंटिंग में, और पिचवई में लोटस बनाने का स्टाइल भी अलग है.
पिचवई की काऊ बहुत रियलिस्टिक होती है. कुछ स्टेट्स की काऊ में ये कर्व नहीं दिखाया जाता है. They never show this, they just show a straight line. Okay, so this is very realistic.
In Pichwai paintings, the lotus is often depicted in various stages of blooming, representing the journey of soul from the darkness to light. The lotus is also associated with Lord Krishna, who is sometimes depicted holding a lotus flower in his hand.
These flowers you can make as many as you want. Like when daughter goes from the house, then in our families also we put the red color, क्या कहते हैं उसको, रोली कहते हैं हम, vermilion type, and then girl makes the marks. So on the cow they do this.
Banana plant has a special place in Indian arts because banana plant represent fertility and abundance in many cultures. Banana plant is also associated with Lord Vishnu It is believed that banana tree has power to remove obstacle and bring blessings to those who worship it with devotion.
This whole black line will be covered, the tree's black line will be covered by green line. I'm drawing in black right now, but later on it will be covered with dark green. So if you want, you can directly paint in dark green.
Pitchway paintings are miniature paintings as they are part of the leading art form known as Nathdwara painting. So, most of the Nathdwara paintings are miniature paintings.
The tree के लिए मैं I have every possible shade of green here. First, I'm using light green. I'm going to mix little yellow in this to give a slightly brighter look. This is light green of Avicryl. That was leaf green. Stroke will go from outward to inward. बाहर से अंदर ले जाएगा ये वाला स्ट्रोक, ताकि आपकी लीफ में अलग कलर पता चल सके. Friends, this is sap green which I am using for shading. So I have used 5 shades here. 4, sorry. Golden yellow, light green, leaf green and sap green.
Cows in Pichwai paintings are often seen as companions of Lord Krishna, highlighting his nurturing and gentle nature.
This is pale white color. If you don't have, just take the white. अभी इस पे मैं व्हाइट का शेडिंग दूंगी। I'm going to use little bit pink. This is baby pink. Very little pink. We'll do shading in the ear. This is little orange. I'm just touching it. और जो ये नेक में हमने छोड़ा हुआ है, in this also we are just filling one drop of green. So what we did, first we did the white coat, then we did the coating of light pink, and now we are doing the shading. From one side we are bringing the dark pink, and from one side we are bringing the white color, and we will mix both of them with very tiny strokes.
Lotuses are closely associated with Lord Krishna in Hindu mythology. He is often depicted holding lotus flowers, wearing lotus garlands, and even having his bed adorned with them. The different stages of blooming lotus flowers in Pichwai paintings represent the soul's journey and transformation. Kamal Talai or lotus ponds or Kamal Talab are frequently featured as backdrops in Pichwai paintings. They create a pure, scared atmosphere, purity and beauty. I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.